What up, little man?
Yeah, I can talk about this kind of shit. Let the fat boy slim. True story. Alright. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot more than when I had a fucking muffin top.
About to meet up with the boys. I think Tone and Joey. I think we're gonna do a photo shoot real quick. Nothing's planned today, to be honest. We're just gonna hang out, see what's up. Possible bonfire. Stopped raining. Let's get it. What up, Joseph?
What up?
What we on?
Toy photography.
Where the hell's Tone Bone?
Stop playing Battlefield! You see his light on?
What? Takes off his mic.
Did I just hear something? Nigga, how many locks you got?
Oh shit. Oh, my water jug for if we get thirsty at the shoot.
For grinding.
Where do you want your location?
We're vlogging right now?
Yeah, we're vlogging. Remember the first time you ruined my vlog?
I did. Why do you have Let me fix my hair. Wherever you want. I don't know.
What we on?
Wherever you want.
What's the one place you would want to go?
What do you want to? How good do you want to look, bro? You
Oh.
go there and I'll make you look good.
Oh shit. We can go to Montrose Beach and walk on the skyline.
Walk on where?
The skyline, you know, where like the water touches and it's just like you can walk. It's just sidewalk.
If you want.
Because Montrose has free parking and I got a full tank of gas.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright!
Young, they would call me husky or call me chubby. And trust me, we used to struggle, but I was never hungry. I played football with the older kids cause I was fat. I played lineman in college, blew out my fucking back. I had a way with the...
Oh, yo, chill, bro. Bing! Chill, motherfucker. Nah,
I'm putting
what the fuck? Get his license plate. Nah. Dumbass, you fucking I got big fingers, nigga.
Ladies since like my freshman year. The dining hall was popping off, they was everywhere.
Alright, we're in downtown Montrose Beach. Hey! So cute. Oh, yo, so what was the idea? A glove for your camera? $1 million.
That is a good ass idea, though.
You can high five people and clink.
Oh, if you could make it into like a GoPro, dude, so you can play like basketball.
Ooh.
If like the camera could bend in your hands so you can shoot. Or like volleyball.
That'd be
That'd be
sick.
raw.
Alright, we're about to do a photo shoot right now.
If you're a pitcher.
Killing it, Windy Network. I'm gonna tag him right here. Bing! And then we'll have your links to your IG, your tweets.
Yes, yes, please. Thank you.
We gotta put promotion. Rise and shine at Twitch.
Yeah, Rise and Shine Gaming.
Bro, we gotta start that up. I gotta get the cable. I keep saying this. Alright, so are we in high tide? Oh shit. Did you tap your foot in the water?
Chicago's experiencing some dramatic weather.
We're having some global warming issues here in the Midwest. Ah! Bro, oh no! So like the tide is way too high! This is sick. The water reaches up to here, bro. So we're in here in downtown. Just trying to do a photo shoot right here on the sideline. And the tide is ridiculously high. It's not supposed to be this high. It's usually supposed to be lower. But it's crazy. Lobo!
Yeah, that's that heartbreak again and again. And that's the kind of shit that make a fat boy. I remember you was on the track team, you had a vicious physique. I was letting myself go and started getting obese. Now you on a vacation out in Miami Beach. I'll be the only
garment in the water. Oh. It's teasing it. It's about to fucking take it. Oh! It's still up!
Taking selfies, bro.
Alright, we're done with this location. We're gonna relocate somewhere else. Got this shit wet.
out 30 pips. I let a fucking Uzi spit up on a motherfucking bitch. You'll be talking through internet. They won't say it to my face cause they know this nigga insane. I'm ready for a murder case. I'm going.
So where we at?
We're in Wrigleyville right now. Wrigleyville right now.
So we couldn't get a photo shoot because the Cubs game.
Go Cubs! Go Sox.
Throw that shit out of me.
Let them know who I rep. Oh shit!
You had to spasm.
Say hi, Joey.
Right now we're going to Diego's the God's infamous barbecue. We gotta get some food though. Where should we stop at? Should we get Myers?
Is it cheap?
What's cheap, Jewel or Myers or Costco? Because that's a Costco.
Hey, you want to be in the phone? Dude, man, we fucking turned 21. Get a fuck up, dude. I can't wait. I would literally become a Cubs fan for a day just to come down here, bro, get wasted and meet some girls, man. That's the plan. Dude, today. That's the plan when we turn 21. Yeah. No. So we'll be right back after this break. We're gonna stop by the grocery store and
we'll be back with a commercial break. Peace.
I'm the blue chip. I'm a problem. I'm a nuisance. Ever since I put in my 2 cents, I left the investment field and did this hip hop just to get my dad some meals. They say it's suicide. They say who am I?
Alright, we're about to get some ingredients for this cookout. Where are we at? La Chiquita.
Oh man.
Translation: the midget. Get some cheese on them.
Yeah, grab 2 of those.
2 of these singles. One's like yellow, one's white, so we got options at this grill. Decisions.
They usually have a variety, but it's not looking good.
We're at Diego's house. Do you want to get all your backpack stuff, or you want to?
No, I'm gonna take it because I have my charger in there.
Facts. Well, yeah, we're about to make burgers. Chris motherfucking Zavala. What up, bud? Nice shoes, boy. Fresh out the box. Well, now you know I'm in.
Hey, keep it down!
I don't even know where I'm at.
I'm fucked.
It'll be July, bro. Yo, okay, this is a nice place. This is way nicer than their other house.
Oh, you never been here?
No, I've never been here.
You're vlogging?
Yeah, this is Ivan, Roman,
Machine.
one of the 3 brothers of the Machine, Hernandez brothers.
Hey, you have to give him a team though, the mascot.
Oh, of course, you know.
He's
Gonna be part of the cover art. Does he speak English? No. Nah. I'm just waiting for Diego's to cook up this. What do you guys say, Roman, right now after your performance? Like, can I interview you?
Yeah, man, of course. I feel great.
Yeah? You feel great? Where do you think your performance will go from here? Like, where do you see yourself in 10 years? In 10 years, I'm gonna show you this vlog and I'll be like, remember little Roman when he was in freshman year?
Yeah, I'm just be like, I hope I make it.
Oh, shit! Oh, no.
Cool, bro. He's cool. Smells like fireworks.
I'm gonna vlog you, bro. I'm gonna be like,
Alright, what's up?
so I'm with, what are you, like the leader of the ASA project?
I'm one of the thirds of the ASA project.
Oh,
bro.
for real? All right,
Yeah,
give him a little bit of a rundown. What you are, what you do,
I
where you guys
produce,
from?
I sing, I rap, engineer, and all that stuff.
Oh shit.
We're, I guess, like Berwyn based, I guess, but now we live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're making jams, man.
Hell yeah. You have a Monday show tomorrow. If this vlog even drops by tomorrow.
Yeah, it's Monday,
know.
22nd. Reggie's, come through. Doors open at 6, show starts at 7. Slide. Hey, shout out to Amy for Average.
Hey, I'll fucking link. You guys got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we have YouTube, Twitter, and all that stuff.
Vivo? Alright, I'm gonna fucking put a link right here. I'll be like, bing! I fuck yeah, that shit's dope, bro.
For sure, man. Thanks, bro.
That ass. Great night, great day. fun stuff. I'm tired. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vlog.
Really, they my dividends from rap shit. Cause I flow fresh, nose deaf, closed caption. Now I'm at the New York Stock Exchange, trying to get my girl Louis Vuitton stock exchange.